anymore. Or it won't be. I'm quite a lazy cook. I like messy food.
I do if it's not going to kill me.
I don't think it's going to kill you. But I'm not going to make that promise.
Right, so Caroline has cooked an amazing meal. I would call this if it's, right? Because like we have a similar cooking style, but I think her presentation is a lot better than mine. So the reason it would be called if it's is because if it's in the fridge, I cook something with it, and the chicken was from Pollo Loco, like from Too Good to Go, so that was leftovers. And the Patatas Bravas were leftovers from a doggy bag. These potatoes here were from that, and the vegetables were all from the local supermarket, or what do you call it over here? Supermarché? No, that's French, isn't it? Forget what I am. Huh?
Supermercado.
Supermercado. That's it. La 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 America. Anyway. So yeah, here we go. So I think, thank you very much. It's not often I get a meal cooked for me. So I'm either cooking myself or reviewing restaurant food. So yeah, it looks amazing. And look, there's green stuff on my plate. You can tell I'm not in America. Actually, they're chilies and tomatoes, which are amazing. And that wouldn't be an ingredient for me, a lime on a plate, which is cool. So, right. I'm going to get this in my face.
Aproveche.
Fuck's that mean?
Enjoy your meal.
Gracias. El nudisto food review. So this is chicken Alicante Caroline. It's actually pretty damn good, considering we got a chicken but on the Too Good to Go app. So. So we've got two massive things of fresh rotisserie chicken for like €8. And how many meals have we had out of it so far? Three. So yeah, 3 meals for €8. Delicious. Let's get some of these. Look at that. Beautiful chili. I'm not actually naked, it's just hot. I'm in Spain. But if you want to imagine I am, that's entirely up to you. I can't stop you. I love those peppers. They're not hot peppers there. Oh jeez, help me out, I can't remember the name of them. You're going to blank.
Padron peppers.
Padron.
Occasionally you get a really hot one in a bundle, but you never know.
Yeah, I know. They're like a roulette of peppers. But like I eat them at home, and I cook up a whole pan of them and just have them with salt as a snack. That wasn't a Padron pepper. That was like the not jalapenos, which are slightly spicy. And here's the spicy Patatas Bravas. This is really good actually. Well done. This is awesome. I actually really like this. Did you want any of this spicy sauce?
No.
got to give it a 10 because she's sat over there. It's a 10. No, it genuinely is. It's absolutely lovely. You can't beat a Spanish tomato. Actually, I travel America a lot. I do like a Florida tomato. So there you go. But it's at the end of the day, it's the Sunshine State, isn't it? So that's why the tomatoes and oranges taste better. And oranges here are really good as well. Wow. Right, there you go. One last look at that beautiful plate that I'm munching from. I feel a little bit self-righteous and healthy. Right. Okay, I'm going to give myself a mission. I'm going to go and find a dirty burger. After eating all this healthy stuff, I need a McDonald's. A Spanish McDonald's. I don't even think I've ever had one. So, let's go and see whether they're as shit as the American McDonald's or as good as the English ones. Thanks for watching. Bye. I forgot a little bit. It's got chorizo in it. Oh, it's amazing. I love chorizo. So that means I've got to up the score to an 11. Measure all the difference. Where's the lens? Hello. Looking in the wrong area of the camera. I'm still jet lagged. How weird is that? See ya.